Hello student, in this lecture we are going to start Unit 5 Overview of Digital Electronics. In that, Introduction to Number System contains introduction, list different number systems, decimal, binary, hexadecimal number system. Introduction. Numbers are extremely important in our personal life. The abacus is one of the earliest known calculator. It is used presently also. New invention was digital system. There are various systems of arithmetic which are widely used in digital electronics, and we'll study here all basic arithmetic operations like subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Different number systems. First one is binary number system, second one is octal number system, third one is decimal number system, fourth one is hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system. The decimal number system is a base 10 system using 0 to 9 numbers. In decimal number system, numbers are expressed in units, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. For example, 67854. This is written as 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 4. Here unit is 4, 50 is tens, 800 is hundreds, 7,000 is thousands and so on. Binary number system. The binary number system is a base 2 system where only digits 0 and 1 are used. In this numbering system, all numbers are represented by zeros and ones. That is example 01, 11, comma 10, comma 1, 1, 0, etc. and so on. Hexadecimal number. The hexadecimal number system is base 16 system using 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E and F. These systems use base 16 and absolute values from 0 to 9 and the letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Finally, 16 combinations of 4-bit binary numbers are possible. Important questions are asked. Define binary, decimal and hexadecimal number with an example. Thank you.